Good morning, everybody on YouTube. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Builder Las Vegas. Good morning, Body. Good morning, Jason Roby and Fly to the Sky, Flowski Jan. Good morning, Gladex. Good morning, Peter P. Good morning, Andrew. Good morning, Dozer Big Boy. Good morning, Rinky. Da, 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 da. Whew, am I tired? Good morning, Peter P. What's up, buddy? Oh, for the second time. Wow. Yeah, Builder Lotus. They call him Builder Las Vegas. Oh boy, can't wait. Da, 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 da. Send me a sign. Hit me, baby. Oh, my phone's in low. Okay, I'll get through here. All right. What do we got going on? Runners that is still going. Nice. Which runner is it for you, Andrew? Frejo. Good morning, Andrew. Play. Oh, sorry, I didn't see your messages. Oh, I'm so tired. Good morning, Jones 808. Good morning, Bruce Jackson. Good morning, Andrew Frejo. Good morning, Dozier Big Boy. Played the gold signal last night before hitting my rack. I woke up to $1,400 and still running by the signal, folks. Nice. Andrew, $1,400. Congratulations. That'll wake me up. Yeah, I haven't played any of these gold ones. Well, lately. I played that one a while ago. Should have kept it too. Fuck. Nice. Let's see. Entry could have been anywhere. This is the signal call itself. Could have caught that right before there. Da, 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 da. 80, really? 85. So this is up from, hold on. This is up from 18. Yeah. Oh, my bad. I'm trying to figure out why that 21.58 to 21.58. So $12. You could have gotten a little lower, I guess. So yeah, he's up $14 an ounce. Wow. Nice. That's incredible. Oh, you're up $12 an ounce. No, you're up. It's still going 12. Okay, gotcha. Good morning. Kev, how are you doing? Good morning, Mr. C. I'm tired, but good. Thankful to be alive. Yeah, a lot of good things happening. Hopefully soon. How are you doing this morning, everybody? Mr. C included. Look at that call out. Yeah, gold just keeps giving and giving. And I was going to put a warning out there, and I'm going to put a warning out there now, though. Please be careful of any future gold signals. I mean, this thing, if you look at the 1 hour chart, has just been rocketing upward. So it's getting a little long in the tooth, as I like to say. Look at it. Da, 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 da. I must confess, first signal call out was back here on this current run that you're doing when gold was at 2082. Now gold is at 2174. That is insanity. Over $170 an ounce. Am I reading that right? Yeah, I think so. Holy shit, is that some good trading? Let me see something here. Amazing signal callouts. Caught the very bottom of the call out. Wow. Let me see. Are we running off the daily? Yeah. Caught the daily. Holy shit. Boy, that signal service is something else. Look at that. Weekly. Absolutely fucking incredible. It was a daily, weekly buy, and we caught every pip of that. Every pip of that was caught. This first signal right here. It was right here. This is your first gold signal. Wow. Psychotic. Holy shit. Caught every pip possible on the buy on gold. Every ounce you could have caught because of the signals. Incredible. Wow. I'm going to go ahead and say chalk it up. Signal service is pretty damn good. Yeah, it's been incredible. I mean, I don't even know. Psychotically good. That's all I can tell you. Good morning, Martin. Good morning, Kevin. All right, let's take a look at the H&H really quick, and we'll get into more detail with all this. What's up, Ori? Yet another correct gold signal. I was just showing everybody we caught every pip possible on the daily buy. I do want to look at the H&H and see what's going on, though. Oh, so NAS and SPX hasn't flipped yet, I see. Is that right? Or did they go down already? Let's look real quick. Now, they might be in a hard up, so you might not see them go down. I don't know. Let's take a look. They're far. I would look now. 1 minute sell stop towards the blue lines, NAS and SPX. Let me see what's happening for US 30 real quick. Oh, that is tempting right there. What is this one? 15 minute, 30 minute. Oh, that is gorgeous. That is a gorgeous ricochet here on US 30. Already did it once though. Fuck, but that looks almost too good to pass up. 30 minute. Well, anywho, 1 minute sell stop towards the blue line, NAS and SPX. See if it plays out. If not, don't horse shit around with it. Hold on. We got a lot to call out here. Let me see something real quick. Show me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Now, I was told something. But if it gets small again, to double click the money. Man, no gold calls? Really? And of course, it's not getting small this morning. Show me a sign. Okay. I could have swore I was told to do this. What? Show me a sign. No, that doesn't seem to be working. Son of a beeswax. Really? Show me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. My loneliness. It's killing me. Yeah, no, that doesn't work. Wow, who the fuck said that? Anywho. Yeah, the A doesn't work. The L doesn't work. I'll figure it out. Just not now. Okay. Good morning, D-Nice. Good morning, World Traveler. Not sure what you're saying. You must have been wrote something you think it's written, but it's not. So good luck with that, bro. All right, everybody on TikTok, everybody on YouTube. Oh, boy. Let me make some call outs real quick. Give me a time. Hit me, baby, one more time. My loneliness killing me. All right. I'm not calling gold because the signal's doing a better job than me. US 30 NAS and SPX. Let's just take a look at one thing before I get rolling here. I want to see my 4 hours. Give me a time. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh, those 4 hours that I personally called out for you guys are insanity. 300 pips on NAS. Crazy. SPX, 80 pips on SPX. Okay, a signal that produces that is insane. If you would have did US 30 yesterday, you'd have made over 180, 190. Wow. Things that make you say, wow. Let me see gold real quick. Damn, gold still ain't no fucking way, boy. Okay. Gold, time to close. You should at least close one of your gold trades that you have open. Oh, fuck. What? Oh, but not all of them. First time, second time, third time, fourth time. Oh, my goodness gracious. Can we possibly go up again? Oh, that's the way it's looking. Wow. What? No, the daily's done. I'd be careful on this one. This is a 4-hour daily buy, but I mean, I don't know. So far away in a daily line, I think we might be. I would close at least one of your positions if you were in gold. Let the other one run is what I would do. Okay. Sorry. Loving the 4 hours, says Raider Share. Amen, brother. Those signals for those 4-hour buy stops were incredible. I called those manually, though. We're upgrading the signal service to be able to see those, but right now it's not calling the 4 hours. It can only call 15-minute, 1 hour. That's why it made the call for 15-minute, 1 hour sell stop, which it shouldn't have, by the way, just to be clear. No one entered in, and you could have made money with US 30, but I'm not counting that signal because it's, even though we made money, it wasn't the right call, so I'm not counting it. What's up, the Riot Shield God? Good morning, Larry Cooper. Da-da-da-da. Hit me, baby, one more time. Oh. Sleepy Time USA. Sleepy Time USA. Whew. Okay. Let's start. I'm not calling gold, like I said. I already called US 30 NAS and SPX for the short term anyways. All right. ERUSD, 1 minute. Whatever I call for ERUSD is the complete opposite for UTSHF, USD CHF. Ooh. One minute sell stop, EURUSD, forming a 15-minute, 1 hour buy stop, EURUSD. That's all you need to know. GBP JPY. 1 minute. GBP, well, it was a sell. You're a little late. Let me see, 5 minute. Oh, yeah, you're late. Wait for it to rebound. 30 minute. Oh, to the blue line. Oh, yeah, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute sell stops to the 1 hour blue line, GBP JPY. Forming a 4 hour daily buy stop, GBP, JPY, Bitcoin. Bitcoin, G. Up she blows. 5 minutes. You're too late. I've been calling. All of you been calling. You can literally see. Well, it's a little blurry in there. The daily, the weekly, and the monthly buy stop that I've been calling out forever and ever and ever. We'll go over to Bitcoin over here. Hold on. We'll come back to those three. Or Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let me go over to XRP. Shit, forgot to say. Hold on. 1 minute buy stop. XRP. 5 minute sell stop. XRP. 30 minute 1 hour. Nope. 1 hour 4 hour. 1 hour 4 hour buy stop. XRP. Amazon. 1 minute sell towards the blue line, but I don't like that. I like this better. You could already see it coming. Oh, maybe not. That already. All right. Nope, it isn't. 1 hour 4 hour. 1 hour 4 hour buy stop. Amazon. U.S. oil. I'm surprised we've been so quiet on the signals with U.S. oil. It calls them so accurately. I'd be looking for a sell stop on U.S. oil soon. Huh. 1 minute, 15 minute. Play any 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute sell stop to the 30 minute blue line, US and UK oil. Then look for my loneliness. A 4 hour daily buy stop, daily, weekly sell stop, US oil. Now let's head over to the charts where you can see them a little clearer. Let's go over to Bitcoin over there. It's killing me. I must confess. Bitcoin. You're killing me. Oh, that's why we can't get the things to go back far enough. Fuck. Dude, you could tell this is a buy stop. And if you go over to, you see, I'm assuming Ethereum can't do the same either, can it? Yeah. Another buy stop. Look at it. Called out perfectly. Whatever. Let me head over there real quick, and then we're going to do an in-depth look at the signal call out for gold, so that you guys are clear on it. Da, 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 da. Hit me, baby, one more time. All right, let's take a look. Da, da, da. Inside this purple rectangle. Good morning, Jay Parker. Good morning, Brian. Is something. And plus, it's a sniper also, I'm sure. Inside of here, this is for the basics. Green, 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 red, green, green. What is this called, guys? Go ahead and speak up so that we can all be clear that the beginners who rewatch this, we get about 700-800 rewatches on my YouTube videos, which is pretty good. There's only about, at peak, about 60, 80 of you at any given time on YouTube. Jay Parker says BS. Buy stop. D Nice says BS. Buy stop. Anthony Atwood BS. Andrew Martin. Correct, guys. Well, this is Bitcoin monthly. So every one of those candles would have been a month. Our first correct entry into this fray, which would have been called by me back then. We can go back. I should go back to the video. It would have been on March 2023. So we'd have been in from either this line or this line, either 24,000 or 26,000 is when your entry should have been entered in on Bitcoin. So all of you now see the power of a monthly. And yes, the system works on seconds and it works on monthly. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. So all of you can read charts. All of you can see this coming. Each one of those red lines. What is it? Gee, I don't know. The histogram, each one of those red histogram lines is a month. And you can clearly see it coming. Look at the same thing for Ethereum. Oh, it's there. It's slight right here. You see red, red, red right there. Can I break that up? Hold on. I don't think it's going to help. It's killing me. Yeah, it's not going to help. Da, 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 da. I still believe. Gee, I wonder what XRP showing for the month. Green, 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 red, green, green. Could have already made this movement up. Made money from 49 cents to 93 cents. Everybody remember that news that they quote unquote, oh, XRP won its price, blah, blah, it's a court case, blah, blah, blah. I'm here to tell you that XRP will not only be above here, it'll go above here. In my personal opinion, just like I called out correctly Bitcoin and I called out correctly Ethereum, $3.28, whatever this shit is here. That's just me. That's just me. I've been calling it since 31 cents. The only two that I personally hold are Amazon and XRP. Well, I own some Bitcoin, a few $1,000s. I just don't play it. It's just not me. I'd rather have $4,000 of XRP right now than $4,000 of Bitcoin. That's all. So XRP and Amazon. I've been recommending Amazon since like 91 or 92. I don't know, in the 90s as a buy. And again, it's not me. Oh, you can't see this. They took down, whenever they do the split, they take away the usefulness of the charts. I can't show you. See how they break it? So if they want to thwart the system, they have to split stocks and split everything all the time. Give me a sign. Hit me, baby, one more time. Ha ha. Look at this shit, though. You want to see something funny? What is Amazon forming right now on the monthly? To anybody that has eyes, broken Bach, green, 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 red. Ooh. Oh my God. If that is true, but I don't like the fact the purple line's up high. If that is true, damn, you better hope that Amazon isn't forming a monthly buy stop right now. Oh my God. Or Amazon will be somewhere in the neighborhood of 3,700. I'm just going to say it. Amazon will be over $4,000. I am not. Oh, that brings up a good point. Hold on. I am not a financial advisor, but holy fuck. Let me go over to here. Everyone right now, please say yes if you understand that I'm not a financial advisor, that I'm just a YouTuber, whatever you call it, social media influencer with a store. Please go to my store. It has extremely quality products there. They are high priced, though. It was like $26 for a tank top. Fuck. Maybe that's just what prices are. Please say yes, though. Yes, yes, yes. Kind of, Tony. No, it's what SPX NAS is to US 30. That would be more correct statement. Okay. Thank you guys on TikTok and YouTube. All right. So with that being said, look at that shit. Amazon, there is no fucking way if they do that. Oh, I wish we can go out past monthly. Weekly. I must confess. I do believe. Look at this buy stop right here. Fuck me. $129. I think it has to come down a little first. So I wouldn't be surprised if you see a pullback in Amazon. Somewhere in the range of 159 first. And then it'll hook. 1 hour, 4 hour. 1 hour, 4 hour buy. Daily. Filling the gap buy. Maybe not. Amazon. Look at that shit. I don't know about that. I just can't believe they'll do that. That'd be wild. Don't know. Stock splits screw up my long term. Now, it's perfectly accurate for any stock split. Whenever they split something on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, 1 hours, of course. Do you believe? What was this? Let's see. Let's be clear here. What is this inside of here, everybody? And those of you who aren't watching, please. You don't see this is also a sell stop with a sniper. You don't see the line. What's inside of here? Broken Bach, what? Buy stop or sell stop? Is this a buy stop or a sell stop? On YouTube, on TradingView, you can go to yearly chart. Yeah, but my indicators aren't firing on TradingView yearly, unfortunately, Jan. Kevin, the 6 monthly chart on TradingView. Yeah, but I don't think my other things were working over there. Sell stop. Correct, BCM. Good morning, BCM. Sell stop. Yes, Martin Griffin. Fly the sky. Sell stop. Blessed morning. All right, let's take a look. Just so we're all on the same page with this one. Watch. This is a sell stop. Okay? Can't see the future except for my indicators, which are 100% accurate. This is a sell stop. This is when they did the stock split. Look, it was calling for a sell stop, not just a sell stop, a broken box sell stop to the blue line. Oh, but that's because they did the stock split. That's because they announced it. That's because Amazon did that. Huh. Or it could be because the system called for it to do that. Oh, but it's a stock split, and they couldn't have known. And what do you mean the system can call it before it happens? That's impossible. How many times I'll hear it or get an email, can't see the future. There's no way. Oh, well, boom. Can't see the future. Boom. Can't see the future. Boom. Can't see the future. Boom. Whatever. So there you go on that one. Have fun. People get so upset too. Oh, no. You can't see earnings before earnings come out. There's no way every time it calls earnings. There's no way you could possibly every time it calls it out before. There's no way. I mean, they give guys who correctly called, and I give them credit, correctly call Bitcoin back when it was, $100 or whatever, just buy one of them. Well, me, myself, and I, when Bitcoin was $1, was trying to buy 300 of them, but my bank in LaGrange, Georgia, wouldn't let me buy it at the time. Community Bank and Trust said, no, it's a scam. They wouldn't let me buy it to Coinbase. I went in and talked to one of the, whatever, it wasn't a bank manager, I don't think, but it was one of those little useless, whatever they are. And they wouldn't let me buy it. So whatever, so that didn't count. But every day I'm on here calling correctly Bitcoin. Every day I'm correctly on here calling XRP and Ethereum and GBP, JPY and UDISH and EUR, USD and SPX and NASDAQ US 30 and gold. And oil. Whatever. I'll just keep doing my thing because I can give 2 fucks less. Oh, speaking of which, damn. Forgot this too this morning. Wow, I am tired. We are the only trading system in the world that I'm aware of that has United States of America issued trademark from the United States of America Patent and Trademark Office. We are a registered trademark, the Safety Trade System. Kevin W. Greger for Class 41. Oh, that's only for the, yeah, for anything associated with it. Any of my indicators, anything inside the system. Anyone else using it can and will be sued, and we've already sued 2 people, one lady in Chicago and one. So don't fuck around. Or fuck around and find out. I don't really care which. I must confess, I still believe. Send me a sign. Let me, baby, one more. And I must confess. Yeah, whoever said that all you have to do is double click on the price, you're wrong. You still have to drag this fucking thing up. Pissing me off to no end. I must confess. Look at gold fucking go. Woo! Hey, I'll have to talk to Keith about this. Should have called the buy stop right here. Yo. Let me refresh this. See, this is why we just don't go. We don't go ham when we first come up with something. We have to test it over and over and over and over again. Why in the world, though? Yeah, absolutely. Keith, are you up? Let me see. Maybe I have to swing back over here. It might not have updated. Oh, I must confess. I'm talking to Keith at 7 in the morning this morning, so we can go over this. Oh, it did call it. Here it is. It did call it. Here's the new signal anyways. These boxes you're looking at is the call outs. My fault. It would have called the buy stop right here. Nice. It did call it. So we're good. We would have caught all of this. Just amazing. Oh. And if I show you how you'll be getting, if there's a 5-minute buy, you'll get that. A 10-minute buy, you'll get that. And a 15-minute buy. Right now, the gold's just calling it correctly. Starting hopefully another week or two, we'll have this upgraded, and gold will be calling it correctly 3 times for you. Holy shit. Oh, and that was Bitcoin. Holy fucking shit. No, it didn't call it. See? God dang. Hold on. Let me see what time that was for our. Let's go over to gold. Let's go over to the 1 hour. Let's go over to here. I'm not saying a 20-year-old platform, MetaTrader 4, is more easier to use than that. But here we go. So our call out from our current signals for gold with 100% win rate, 34 out of 34 now. Called it right here at 3 on 3.8 at 5.15 or something. 5. So 3.8 at 5. Hold on. I still believe. Let me go down to the 15-minute. It would have called the signal here. Oopsie. Hold on. Hit me, baby, one more time. 145, you would have caught the whole entire thing. Retraced again here. This would have been a 5-minute. Yeah, we would have caught that whole up movement on the 5. And it's calling for another buy right here at 12:30. Interesting. And that's why that's going up. Interesting. Yeah, so it would have caught it. Okay, cool. Just got to make sure on these things. But this would have been your first in. You had to wait for the proper setup, which would have been the buy stop, the form. Look how early we would have caught that too. Smoking. So at any rate, yeah, you would have caught the whole thing on the 15. Nice. And I must confess, I do believe. Must confess, I do believe. Hit me, baby, one more time. I have so much shit open. You guys don't even have a clue of what we're doing. Working nonstop trying to help you all is what we're doing. That gold went off last night. Yes, it did. Andrew. Good morning, Greg Roberts. Good morning, Shocking Life. Good morning, Tony. I'm great at doing voices. Yeah, right. Good morning, Susie Stealth. Good morning, Jason McCain. Where you been, Jason? Good morning, Jason. My loneliness has been killing me. Oh, I must confess, I still believe. Yeah, I did oil. Bitcoin. Yeah, we're good. All right. So how did the signal service, good morning, J-Flow. How did a computerized coded piece of stuff call out these last two gold trades you're looking at with 100% accuracy, I might add? That's only going to get better, I might add. So let's take a look. Here is one entry. You would have entered here. You had plenty of time. $2,154 on gold. And it went up $17 an ounce. You would have got the second gold signal right here, just about the same. And it went up another $14 an ounce. So you'd have made $17 an ounce and $14 an ounce off these two signals. Buy stops. Green, 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 red, green, green. But more importantly than that, they're also on a 15-minute, 1 hour. More importantly than that, it's also reading a couple other factors for the signals. So it accurately called out gold. I told you guys in the Discord, you guys are going to love gold. Gold just gets into a rut. So when gold gets moving, it gets into like a buy stop or a sell stop, and it just keeps on going. There's no need for you guys to get upset or worried. It's just so easy to trade gold compared to the indices. I'm telling you, everyone's new favorite symbol by the time we're done with the signal service will be gold. Well, that or the Holy Grail trade, which I refuse to speak about because of one idiot out there. That'll be obviously your favorite because trade doesn't miss, kind of rise to the top. But gold won't miss either. It just can't. Now, I am going to give you a warning again. We're on our fifth or seventh. I think we were on our fifth before these two trades. Buy stop on gold. You're going to need to chill. I might even have Keith turn off the signal service for gold because we don't need any more buys. You should just stay in these trades, let one run, and you can be letting run for over 150 pips. 1,500 pips, sorry, $150 an ounce. All right, so let's take a look. How does it do this? So it's trading the signal service, just so we're all clear. The signal service that's called out in the Discord. And there's different things right here. Tier 1, Tier 2, Tier 3. Tier 1 is $150 a month for 5 signals in if you buy it now. Only if you buy it this month. It is 100% completely stopping after that. I keep being so nice. I got to stop. But for $150 a month, if you're in the signal service, when any of these rooms launch, you get it for free for this month. And then every month forward, you get it for free. You don't have to pay anymore. After this month, you'll be paying $150 a month for Tier 1, gold, Tier 1. When ERUSD and GBP JPY come out, oil, Tier 1. You'll be paying $150 a month each. If you get it now, You get all those for free. Oh, but they're not free. Yes, they're free. Haters, go hate somewhere else and be dumb. I can't help stupidity. I really can't. If you're going to pay $150 a month for each room after the end of this month, which everyone will, I'm done giving away free shit, then that means right now, if you get tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3, all the other rooms, tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, if you're paying for it when it comes out, are free to you. If you are not paying for it, you will then, if you want gold, pay $150 a month for tier 1, $250 a month for tier 2, $350 a month for tier 3. Okay, so these signals are now 34 for 34 correct calls. So it's 100% win rate, 2 calls that never engaged, and I've given out 3 free signals. So technically, I guess that's 37-0. But either way, I'll just say 34, and I'm only counting a signal for US 30 and each one of those signal rules. I'm not counting when NAS is correct or SPX is correct. So you might as well change that 34 number to at least, I don't know, 60, 70 minimum. Correct signals with 0 losses since the first of the year. Okay, guys, it's called out minimally 34 correct signals on its own in NAS, SPX, US 30, in gold, and in oil. How many of you here from January 1st are 34-0 with no losses? Speak up. How many of you here have 34 trades correct? Huge correct, by the way. The numbers are staggering. Thousands and thousands of pips. The equivalent thereof. How many of you here are 34-0 since January 1st? How many of you here have no losing trades in 34 winning trades? How many? Speak up, strangers, haters. Come on. Come on. Everyone's paying. 7s if you're 34-0 with no losing trades since January 1st, or 9s if you're not. 7s if you're 34-0. Go ahead. Send me your report, Rinky. You haven't had one losing trade this year. Go ahead, send it over. I'll love to post it for you. I'll be glad to post up your results for you. Send them over to my Gmail right now, Rinky, and I'll post it up. No losing trades. 34-0 since January 1st. You have no, I want your monthly statement since January 1st. I have losses. I can't raise my hand. I have losses from January 1st. There's some right here. Just in my last grouping, there's some losses for me. I can't claim it. I have an $8 loss. I have a $159 loss just off my last 20 trades or whatever the fuck this is. I can't claim it. I can't raise my hand. Go ahead. Oh, I always have Builder Boss is 999. Come on, Larry, speak up. Everybody, 42 of you watching. I wish Keith can build me that thing. I swear to God, I've been saying that for over a year. One of these days. Who else here? I'm not. Even in my last 20 trades, I'm not. Who here is 34-0 since January 1st? Oh, no problem, Rinky. I figured as much. Okay, I don't know who Crispy is, but you are sure the fuck out of here, bro. Crazy ass loon. Come on, 7s if you're 34-0 since the first of the year with 0 losses, 0 bad calls. I'm going to drive this point home. I want more than 3 people to speak up. Be honest and tell me you sign up right over here. thesafetytrade.com. Come on. Let's not be shy here. Right here, sorry. Safetytrade.com. Look, Look, we had 42 people watching. We're down to 32 because they're too scared. Okay, 30 out of 34. Says Larry. That's fine, Larry. Good, very good trading, by the way. But no, I don't believe there's a trader in the world that hasn't lost since January 1st of this year. So it's nothing to be ashamed of. There's not a trader in the world since January 1st of this year that hasn't lost a trade. Is that fair to say, yes or no? I would say it's probably fair to say. What's up, Ray? Good morning, Ray. We were just driving home a point of something. I think Dennis is figuring it out. There's not a trader in the world that hasn't lost at least one trade, me included. I have 2 in my last 20. Right? So that's fair to say. But yet, a computerized, coded, with one hand tied behind my back, I'm having Keith code things with, we couldn't have the 1 hour retracements. We couldn't figure out the sniper on any other time frame than what we were using. But Keith has figured out how to make the sniper work now. Keith has figured out how to do the 1 hour retracements now. So we were 100%, 34 for 34 year to date with no losses. Let me be clear, 0 losses. 34-0 out of the signal service. 34 correct calls made for tens of thousands of pips or the equivalent thereof, meaning gold isn't pips. The indices really aren't pips. I call them pips because I made the system. I'm going to call them anything the fuck I want to call them. Can you imagine? The signal service hasn't lost the trade. Now, it's not going to stay that way even when I upgrade it. I'm assuming or guessing, my best guess is we'll be at an 80% win rate. If we're at 80% or higher, I'll be thrilled. Right now, we're holding 100% win rate for almost 2.5 months. 34 call outs, 34 wins, 0 losses. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. Is that not the most incredible thing you've ever heard? So this signal service that I was worried about and I didn't really want to bring there and I didn't really want to, I said, well, they can make some money and they can, learn the system and see how I'm making these call outs by the, seeing how these entries or whatever these things are actually being called out for. Look at it. Wowza. Wowza. Wow. It's 34-0 since January 1st. It has 2 no calls, meaning it called out signals that, like yesterday, never engaged. Plus 3 additional ones I gave you all for free. Can you imagine what you're in now, by the way? The 4-hour daily buy stops. Written out by me. Put into this signal service for you. The 4-hour buy stops. Look what I said. My favorites were the 4-hour buy stop for NAS and SPX. And then after that was US 30. My favorites were for NAS and SPX. Let's see how NAS did on the 4-hour buy. So tell me that the signal service giving you guys heads up over and 37 times to be exact with my input, 37 times. Look, there it is. There's your buy stop. There it is through the roof. I said NAS and SPX were my 2 favorite out of the group, and there they are. It ended up being a 3-hour, but nonetheless, same thing. There's a 2-hour for you. There you are. There you are. So don't tell me anything other than holy fucking shit. The signal service is 34-0 so far this year. And again, I'm only thanking God. There's no other way to put it. I don't know of any other signal service that could possibly be 34-0 from the beginning of the year. None. I used to pay $1,000. I don't want to get into it. Anyhow, so is everybody slightly impressed with the signal service? Yes or no? Being 34-0. And if you're not, leave. I have no time for you. So you can say yes and you can say no. I won't block you if you say no. But if you don't think, honest to God, in your core of cores, that 34-0 is fantastic for a signal service, there is no hope for you. You're just too negative and pessimistic of a person. That's all. More than slightly, says Rankin. Yes, says Flat. Correct. Chris Waller, just amazing. Yes, correct. D-Man, I can't wait for you to have it. I mean, it's insane. I wait for them too. They help. That's exact. Thank you, Rinky. Yay. Exactly what I wanted to do. Yes, I know you guys are all going to become relying on it, but I'm trying to help you guys learn from the signal service, because if it trades just like me, you can see the calls that I would personally make, and here they are. And I messed up. Well, I messed up calls because I try to trade more frequently than what I should, trying to entertain you guys. When I get back to Vegas here in a little bit, I'll be going on long. I'll be going through the probably from, I don't know, 6 in the morning until somewhere in the range of 10 in the morning every day as a guess. So I'll be trading 6 to 10 when we're in Vegas. But at any rate, for now, I haven't been doing it too much lately because I've been developing signal service. That's why we haven't been doing. Matter of fact, I got to go in just a few minutes because me and Keith are going to be calling. Well, he's calling me. Dak man, what's up, Dak man? You don't need any principal. Why would you wait for July? Buy the system now, and then learn it. You don't need any principal. The first month you're supposed to trade with demo money anyways. Oh, let me be clear. All the time you're supposed to trade with demo money. Hell yeah. Thank you, Jay Flip, for speaking up. Is NAS and SPX forming 15-minute buy stops? We can look. All right, let's take a look. All right. So our rules state: 1, blue line high; 2, pink line low on the 1 hour. It is for NAS. It is for SPX. It is for US 30. Okay. Then for the 15-minute, we need to see the opposites. Let's go to the opposite. Forming, not there yet. Forming, well, actually, now you're at 30-minute because that hit in. Hold on. Ho, 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 ho. Go back to the 1 hour again. It's forming a 10-minute. 10-minute. Hold on. Better be careful with this too. But yes, if you follow the rules, NAS and SPX are forming 10-minute buy stops right now. You need to let them fall down further. They're going to fall down further first. 30 minutes. See this pink? You can't enter it. It's too high. Let me see this one. Yeah, that's better. I think what you're about to see is a little hook up in the pink, come down, form a W is what you're going to see. At least on NAS. SPX. Ah, fuck. Nope. Nope. No, that doesn't work. Fuck. But anywho, yeah, you're reading the charts correctly, but I have a feeling it's going to fall a little bit further first, then rise up a little later on. And then again, look at US 30, go to the 15-minute, and the US 30 literally is a 15-minute sell stop. Well, it was. So if this was a 15-minute sell stop, it's killing me. I must confess. Oh. I must confess. You'd have to go down to like a 5-minute in order to play this one. It's not a true sell stop yet. Well, I don't know. I shouldn't say that. Is the 1 hour Bach red? Let me see. No, it's green. So yeah, that's all. But there you go. That's your unofficial 15-minute sell stop. See, when it retraced right here, your entry should have been right here. Boop. You entered here. Pop. Down she went on US 30. See, the red box means sell. So this is the retracement right here. And I must confess, I still believe. Let's see. Ah, jeez. Hit me, baby, one more time. I'll have to pull the EA off of here. I'm sure that's what's causing this to pull itself down. I still believe. Look at how it accurately calls it every time. Oh, wow. Yeah, I'd wait for this to develop. Let this go down. Did I not call? Wait a second. Yo, at the beginning of this live, hold on. I could have sworn, sworn somebody called out to the blue line 1 minute sell stops, NAS and SPX. Does anybody remember this? Who called it out this morning? Who called SPX and NAS to the blue line this morning? Could you check? What's up, Y Crypto? I can try. If that's a symbol on TradingView, I can try. Who called? And why did I call it? Because of the free gift from Bree and I to each and every one of you when these two were green. Someone called that. Beginning of going on live, I said, sell stop to the blue line. I must ricochet, sell stop, 1 minute, NAS to back to this blue line, past it. Ricochet, SPX, back down past this blue line. It's going to come up here to the yellow, hook and come back down again and go to the blue. Confess. Good morning, everyone. Buy system. What's up, Luke? Try to Hillock. Oh, shit. I got to go. Oh, fuck. We're just about to have some fun. Keith is calling. You're welcome, Gladex. Thank you, Andrew. The only one person here is saying I called that fucking trade. Really. Great call last night, the 1 minute to blue line. Thank you, Sandra. Nice, Mr. C. See, when you say, who used to do that with us? Was it Tommy? No, it's Jay Cochran. He'd come on here, make his money, and get the fuck out of Dodge. Congratulations, Mr. C. That's how you trade a Friday. You waited for it, and pop, there she blows. And I'm pretty sure Mr. C was appreciative that I confirmed that call. But yes, the system calls it out with 100% accuracy. You just have to learn how to be patient like Mr. C. Congratulations, Mr. C. Congratulations, Mr. C. Congratulations, Mr. C. I caught it on US 30. Nice, J-Flow. Congratulations to you, sir. All right. Not only did I call it last night, thank you, BCM. Thank you, Larry Cooper, for speaking up. Yeah, it's just one of those things. Now, my call-outs that I do live, I follow the rules, and I have fucking, I don't even know, 3-4 years experience using the system now. So I kind of have a heads up on the system than most of you. But all of you can learn to trade just like me. You are the best teacher of trading. Thanks, Gladex. Tell a friend. All right, where were we? I was watching closely. Got it. Good morning. Someone wanted me to call something. I got to go. Keith, I'm coming. Keith. So I need to check money symbol. I'm assuming that's not it. So it must be GARIUSD. Okay, let me go over to TradingView and see if I can even. I don't even know what the fuck those words mean, but let me go ahead and try. Should I put that money symbol in there? GRIA. Token, Tether, USD, GRI. I don't know. Is that an I on there? Fuck. Make me forced to put on the glasses, mofo. GRI USD. GRI USD. Kraken is the only one I see have it. Let's have some fun with this fucking thing. Woo! Haven't never looked at this one. Let's have some fun. Well, you missed the sell stop 15 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and say you're a little late to the sell stop party. Perfectly called out, by the way, but let's go back. Let's go to 1 minute. Sell stop already happened. For me again. 3 minute. Sell stop, just missed it. 5 minute. We're looking at GARIUSD. 10 minute. I don't know. 15. You're too late. See, this is where the 15 minute formed right here. You should have got out at 0.0402. I mean, you're playing with this. This is fractions of a penny. So here's your 30 minute sell stop you missed. The 1 hour looks a little more favorable for you. Let's see. 1 hour. 2 hour. Hold on. It's forming a 2 hour. Let's go to 4 hour. Daily. You missed the daily buy. Boy, you could have got in here at 0.035 and wrote it up. I mean, you're talking about daily trades now. Weekly sell. This is horrid. What is this thing? Oh, it just must have came out. There's not even enough data for weekly or monthly. Let's go back to daily. I mean, you got to wait for this to you want to trade a daily? Look, it's a buy stop here and here, but it's daily. Now it's too high. It's coming back down the hook. Let me see what this 4 hour will do right there. Buy stop. 4 hour buy stop. Put your buy stop on this thing. I don't know. I don't want you to get caught. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for demo only. 0.0398. If you want to get real aggressive, put your buy stop real aggressive. Wouldn't recommend it. 0.0392. This is what's called an altcoin, a shit coin. Not saying it won't go back up here to 0.0514. I'm saying that the last time it took this thing to do this, look at the buy stops, by the way. Oh, I didn't know it was going to go up. You should have been in a buy stop back here where it called for it. Oh, I can't even see it. Fuck. Hold on. You should have been in a buy stop back here. February, Tuesday, the 20th at 6. Then you could have caught it all from back down here at 0.0304, and you would have made it all the way up to here, which would have been huge. I guess it's almost a double. And then, yeah, it looks to me, yeah, let it reload. It's got to come down a little further. Buy stop. GARUSD, let it come down first. It's got to come down further. Let me be clear on this. The blue line isn't at the bottom yet. It needs to come down a little further. But you can put your buy stop up and wait and move it down as it comes down. But 0.0390. Let me know. Come back in a fucking forever. Come back and hold on. Let's see how long this took to do. The last time there was a buy stop. Come back in 27 days, so within the month, and see how that worked for you. Now, I wouldn't trade something this volatile on a 4 hour chart like this. I'd be looking for something in that 3 minute, 1 minute, and start scalping the shit. But it already was a 15 minute sell stop. You're too late to the party. Did it go to the blue line? Hold on. Let's see the 10 minute. Why am I spending so much time trying to help this person? I got to go. Oh, fuck. Is Keith up? Damn, Keith. Coming. Oh, shit. Sorry, Keith. Keith.
Hey, good morning.
Good morning. You're on a live. I'm ending it right now.
Oh, you're so live.
Sorry. Some guy asked for me to call it this shit coin I never looked at before, so I was just going over that. Sorry, I'm going off now. All right, guys. Everybody on TikTok, see ya. Everybody on YouTube, have a great morning. Good luck trading. Hopefully things work out for you. You see those gold calls?
Yes.
All right. Bye, guys. Talk to y'all later. Yes, my monitor is vertical.